Welcome to all. Yesterday we have to discuss about the conservation. Today we have to discuss about the Greenpeace. Greenpeace is an environmental friendly international organization with aims at promoting environmental awareness. It is an independent campaigning organization addressing the environmental abuse through direct non-violent confrontations with governments and companies. Focus on Greenpeace. Greenpeace focuses on the mostly critical worldwide threats to our planet's biodiversity and environment. First one is stop climate change. The extensive use of oil, gas, fuel and other energy resources leads to climate changes, which results in global warming. In order to stop climate changes, Greenpeace is campaigning on various fronts. It has been reaching to stop climate change and to promote clean energy solutions. And second one is protect ancient forest. Many forests of the world area in crisis. The plants and animals are facing the threat of existence. People living in forest and depending on them for their livelihood are also under threat. Greenpeace take up the responsibility to serve the forest and provide solutions for the same. The third one is Save the Ocean. Greenpeace Save the Ocean campaign currently focuses on the four major threats of the old ocean, that is overfishing, private fishing, whaling and intensive shrimping aquaculture. Fourth one is stop whaling. Commercial whaling has results in the decline of the world population. In order to stop commercial whaling, Greenpeace is working on many fronts. Then fifth one is say no to genetic engineering. Genetic engineering enables creation of plants, animals and microorganisms through the manipulation of genes. The organisms which are producing through genetic engineering when interbred with the natural organization lead to new environment which are uncontrolled. Next is stop the nuclear threat. Greenpeace campaign against the use of nuclear power as its use has never been peaceful. It leads to accidents, death and disaster. Radiation released into the environment through the nuclear test has led to the contamination of soil, air, rivers and oceans, causing cancer and other diseases in people. Next, climate toxic chemicals. Greenpeace also campaigns against toxic chemicals as they provide to be a global threat to the health and environment. Greenpeace opposes the current form of globalization that is increasing corporate power. It demands that the World Trade Organization, that is WTO, adopt a policy of trade which works for all and that preserves and restores the environment. Governments must work towards achieving sustainable development, which means integrating three things, that is environmental, social and economic priority. Greenpeace is a non-profit organization and in order to maintain its independence it does not accept funds from government or from the corporate sector. It depends mainly on the voluntary contribution of individuals and grants from foundations. Greenpeace has played an important role in preserving the environment, that is, a ban on toxic waste exports to less developed countries, a United Nations Corporation providing for better management of world fisheries, ban on the dumping at seas of radioactive and international waste and distribute oil installations, an end to high sea, large scale drift fishing, a ban on all nuclear weapons testing their first ever campaign. Thank you.